First problem, the perimeter of a circle is 44 centimeter. What is its radius? So they have given the perimeter of a circle. We need to find out the radius. So we already know that perimeter is nothing but the circumference. So let us write down perimeter of a circle is circumference, and which is equals to 44 centimeter. It is already given. Okay, so circumference formula we know that. Let us write down circumference is equals to 2 pi r. Okay, so circumference is given as 44. 2 into what is the value of pi? We have to take 22 by 7 into r. Okay, so 2 into 22 is 44 by 7 into r. Okay, so if we transpose this 44 by 7 to that side, we will get r is equals to, first of all we will write 44, and after transposing we will get 7 upon 44. So 44 ones are 44 ones are, r is equals to 7. So what is this? 7 centimeter. So finally we can write, therefore the radius of the circle is 7 centimeter.